Pearl wants some.
Oh, definitely.
Can you help her? Are you going to give Pearl a drink? Pearl wants a drink. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's upside down. Here you go. Did you want the camera? Look at that hair. You got a lot of hair. You got big eyes. How's it going, Pearl? You want some more? This way. Pearl. You got the straw. Here. Good job. Is it yummy? Oh, you're getting some. You're getting some. Oh, your brother brought your bunny to you. Oh, thank you, Ezekiel. Oh, that's a good burp. A ball? I'm going to give her the ball, too. She's going to have so many toys, she doesn't know what to do. Thank you for sharing your water. Bye, Pearl. Bye. Bye. Can you smile for the camera too? Ezekiel, can you smile? Say hi. Say bye.
Bye.
Where'd your ball go? Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Okay. Not exactly sure what he said, but there you go.